Welcome to Healer Ayurveda Therapy Center. Today, we're diving into the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, a comprehensive guide for beginners seeking balance and harmony in their lives. Whether you're new to Ayurveda or curious to learn more, this guide will introduce you to its foundational principles, daily routines, and simple practices to help you live a healthier, more balanced life. What is Ayurveda? Ayurveda, which means the science of life, originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It's more than just a medical system. It's a way of life designed to help us align with nature and achieve harmony within ourselves and our surroundings. Ayurveda emphasizes a holistic approach to health and well-being. It treats the mind, body, and spirit as interconnected, focusing on the root cause of imbalances rather than just addressing symptoms. One of the key concepts in Ayurveda is the idea of the three doshas: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These are the fundamental energies that govern all biological and psychological functions in the body. Each of us has a unique combination of these doshas, which forms our individual constitution. Vata, associated with air and space, governs movement, creativity, and flexibility. Pitta, linked to fire and water, controls digestion, metabolism, and transformation. Kapha, representing earth and water, provides stability, strength, and nourishment. Daily routines for balance. Ayurveda places great importance on daily routines, or dinacharya, to maintain balance and promote health. Your morning routine sets the tone for the day. Start by waking up early, ideally before sunrise. Drink a glass of warm water with lemon to flush out toxins and kickstart digestion. Then, practice tongue scraping to remove toxins from the tongue and oil pulling for improved oral health. When it comes to diet, Ayurveda recommends eating whole, seasonal foods that are freshly prepared. Be mindful during meals. Focus on your food without distractions like phones or TV. Incorporate a balanced lifestyle by managing stress through meditation or deep breathing. Engage in regular physical activity suited to your dosha, and make sure to get 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep every night. Ayurvedic Diet Essentials. The Ayurvedic diet is a cornerstone of maintaining health and balance. It encourages eating seasonal, locally sourced foods that support your unique constitution. Ayurveda identifies 6 tastes that influence the doshas: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent. Each taste affects the doshas differently. Sweet is grounding and nourishing, balancing Vata and Pitta. Sour stimulates digestion but can aggravate Pitta and Kapha. Salty enhances flavor and can stabilize Vata but may imbalance Pitta and Kapha. Plan your meals to include all 6 tastes for a balanced diet. For example, Vata types thrive on warm, spiced soups, while Pitta types benefit from cooling foods like salads, and Kapha types do well with lighter, spiced meals. Simple Ayurvedic practices for beginners. Getting started with Ayurveda can be simple and enjoyable. Yoga and meditation are integral parts of Ayurvedic living. Practice poses that suit your dosha. Vata types benefit from grounding poses like child's pose or tree pose. Pitta types should focus on cooling poses like forward folds or moon salutations. Kapha types thrive with energizing sequences like sun salutations and warrior poses. Herbal remedies are another easy way to integrate Ayurveda into your life. Ginger aids digestion. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and tulsi, or holy basil, supports immunity. To manage stress, try pranayama breathing exercises like alternate nostril breathing. Use calming essential oils like lavender or sandalwood, and reflect with mindful journaling to clear your mind and set intentions. By embracing Ayurveda, you can make small, meaningful changes that lead to a healthier, more balanced life. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and wellness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights from Healer Ayurveda Therapy Center. Stay balanced, stay healthy.